In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear links on your Acura MDX located behind the rear wheels. Let's get started. Here on the left rear of the vehicle, we're going to remove the tire using a 19mm socket. Remove the tire. Using a 14mm socket, we're going to remove both the top and the bottom nut. Slide it out of the way. Now we're ready to install the new one. Slide it in through the top. And slide it at the bottom. Now we can start our nuts by hand. There's the top, and now the bottom. Using a 17mm socket, we're gonna snug them up. Now we can torque down our nuts to 30 foot-pounds. We're gonna start at the bottom and do the same on the top. Install the tire and start your lug nuts by hand. Snug the lug nuts. Here we're gonna torque down our wheel to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.